Go.
Where's the money? Right here. This is all?
Yeah, that's all.
It's a penny.
Ah, so?
Ah!
Portrait.
Next time you better give me my money.
Oh, I'm sorry. You were the guy who killed him. You sure?
No.
Hacking you. Get down. Did you kill him?
No. Oh, yes.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Now. Action.
Hey, what are you doing?
It's not.
Hey,
You know.
okay, sir, stop. Sir, stop.
I'm a detective.
I don't.
Okay.
Stop it, sir. Stop.
I have two
No.
weapons.
No, I'm hacking you. Okay. Arms, go. Drop. You're supposed to drop. I'm hacking you. Can't you see? I'm hacking you. You're hacked. Why aren't you hacked?
It's real life, buddy. What the heck is this thing? The heck? I have the power under my control. Come on, dead body. We can be best friends.
I put that. I even typed in 2048 pixels long.
Thanks for watching.